My name's Alan Hart, and today I wanted to talk to you about something that is quite close to my heart. So, as a gas engineer, vans are being targeted, and builders, and van theft and van crime and tool theft it's just gone it's just gone mad. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to ask all my subscribers and anybody who watches this video. There's some online petitions, and I would love you to just click on and sign them. Sign all of them. It'll take you a few minutes to sign these petitions, and just to give us a chance in, just to show that, that we're worried and we need something to happen. So I'm just going to show you a short video of somebody who's had their van targeted. So first of all, they had the van targeted and they damaged all the van, and then when there was nothing in the van, they then attacked the garage and smashed the garage door down. So I'll show you this video now, and then after I've shown you this video, I'll talk to you again at the end. So I'm sure you can agree that from that video, that's just one of hundreds and hundreds and thousands of gas engineers, builders, joiners, all these people that have been targeted, and it's destroying people's lives. So please sign the petitions. I'm going to put a link below. In fact, I'm going to put a link to all the different petitions that I know of. So I know that PB Plumber on Twitter has got a petition. He's just started a new one. So I'm going to put a link to that. And then there's a few other petitions as well that's been going quite a long time. So one of them's got about 53,000. I think that's from Mark Riley. And then there's another petition from Lee Watt, and I think that's got about 40,000 or so. So please sign these petitions, because I honestly, on a night, any little sound, I'm jumping up, I struggle to sleep, because I just feel that it's not when, it's if, if it's not if, it's when my van's going to get robbed. And we shouldn't have to feel like this, People are getting dragged out of the houses, and it's just mental what's going on. So please sign these petitions. Thank you.